Okay, not
Congratulations for today, everyone. Keep practicing. If you speak well English, you will have a better salary. So good luck with that. Get more money. Yeah.
Do you have any other message for them?
jika nu ngarti diaminkeun teh.
Selain keep
Yeah. Maybe if you want to, if it's easier to learn a language if you watch a lot of movies or series in English, listen to music in English, look at the lyrics. It's gonna be much easier and much more fun for you to learn the language. And then when you can speak, it's like it opens up to the world so many more people that you can speak to afterwards in English.
Oke, jadi kata Nathan, biar kita bisa lebih ngomong bahasa Inggris, kalian bisa lebih gampang itu nonton movies, nonton film, series, ya, dengerin musik, perhatiin kata-katanya bahasa Inggrisnya. Gitu. Nathan, I have one question. Many people in here, attention please. Some people here still doesn't have the confidence to talk in public in front of their friends. Maybe you can give them a tips for how to be confident to be able to speak in front of people.
I think if you want to learn about someone, then you can try speaking whatever words that you know. If you try, someone will know, and they will also try to communicate with you. Don't be scared, even if you know just a little bit. I know just a little bit in Indonesian,
Yeah.
and people understand that I try really hard to communicate, and therefore that's how it happens. And little by little, you can talk better. But if you have the will, people will always feel it that you want to learn. You know what I mean? And communicate.
Okay.
Sedih.